Hello children, let's understand a wonderful topic here. It is, what is an atom? So children, as you can see, solid, liquid and gas particles. These particles are atoms or molecules. As you can see here, the spherical shaped structures, these are atoms. So particles are atoms. Actually, we should say that matter contains atoms. So atoms are the smallest unit of element which may or may not exist independently. So these atoms, they do not exist independently. They have to be in a combined form. There are only very few atoms which actually exist independently, and those are noble gases. Noble gases only exist independently, right? Like helium, neon, argon, they exist independently because they are stable gases. So they exist as single atoms. Now, you should know that atoms are building blocks of molecules, elements and compounds. Everything we have is matter, and matter contains atoms. Atoms are the building blocks of molecules. They are present in elements. They are also present in compounds. Now, how big are atoms? That's a very important question. Are atoms very small or very big? How big are they? So children, atoms are actually very small. They are very tiny particles. So atoms are very small. They are so tiny particles such that to make a sheet of paper, just a thin sheet of paper, how many particles or atoms do we need? More than millions of atoms we need. So more than millions of the atoms must stack together in order to form a thin sheet of paper. So see how small they are. They are not big, they are small. So atomic radius is measured in nanometers, and children, nanometer is a very small value. How much is it? 1 meter is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter, 0.0000001. So such a small value it is. So the atom is very small in size. It's such a very tiny particle. So if we talk about the relative sizes of various substances, so here are the examples given to us. So relative sizes, when we talk about atom of hydrogen, its particle size is 10 to the power minus 10 meter, very small. Molecule of water, which is comparatively should be greater than hydrogen, right? Because water contains H2O, 2H and 1O. The size is 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Molecule of hemoglobin, which is present in our blood, its radius is 10 to the power minus 8 meter. Grains of sand, very tiny grains of sand, the radius is 10 to the power minus 4 meter. Ant, small little ant, the radius is 10 to the power minus 3. And apple, it is big enough, right? Its particle size is, or radius is 10 to the power minus 1 meter. See the relative sizes. How small is the atom as compared to an apple, right? So atoms are really very small or very tiny particles. I hope you have understood. Thank you.